Let's head straight to Garissa County now, where a controversial ruling has stirred public concern after the High Court granted bail to 2 suspects accused in the brutal murder of a child bride. The decision comes amid protests from the victim's family and human rights groups who fear that the suspects pose a threat to witnesses and the grieving family. NTV's Nurdin El-Moge with the details of the latest developments in the case of Gaala Aden, a 17-year-old refugee forced to marry an older man in Wajir County.
The Garissa High Court has granted bail to 2 suspects in the murder of a child bride, Gaala Aden, while a 3rd suspect has been committed to Madari Mental Hospital for psychiatric evaluation and treatment. The 2 suspects, Mohammed Qasim Tifu, the husband of the deceased, and Aden Mohammed Ahmed, a local village elder, have been released on a bond of 1 million shillings each, or an equivalent surety. In delivering the ruling, Justice John Onyango said, and I quote, "The court shall not deny a citizen his constitutional right based on a mere expression of interest by society. Obviously, in every death, there is a bitterness expressed, and that alone cannot take away the right for accused to be released on bail, pending trial. An accused person is deemed innocent until proven guilty." End of quote. This development comes despite strong objections from the victim's mother, Amina Abdinur, who has raised serious security concerns for herself and her family. Her objections, supported by the Law Society of Kenya and the Refugee Consortium, cited that the accused are potential flight risk and may interfere with witnesses. But the defense, however, argues that the suspect had already spent nearly 3 months in custody under orders from Wajir Magistrates Court to allow the prosecution to complete its investigations. They also argued that the prosecution did not oppose the bail application. The court has ordered the 2 released suspects to report to the Directorate of Criminal Investigations DCI office in Habaswein once a month. The case will be mentioned again on July 3rd to assess the mental condition of the 3rd accused person before proceeding to a full trial. Nurdin El-Moge, NTV, Wajir County.